Dear students, today in 8th standard GK, we are going to see page number 46, Tickle Your Brain. Here, we are going to solve some sequence which is given in this page number. Three of the numbers given below are divisible by the same number, but which one is not? Okay, this 3, I think so, it will divisible by 3, but 200, which is not divisible by 3. So this is your answer. Now look at the letters E, R, G, R, O. So put 3 letters before and after 3 letters. So we have to form a meaningful word. So we can write UND as a before and after UND. So underground. Now tick the option which shows the best relation between the teacher, writer and the musician. We can go for subdivision A. These are intersecting with each other, but this is a different thing, different circles which does not touch each other. Now, a book before it is published goes through the certain processes. The processes are given below. Check the option list 3 processes in the correct order. So, first we can go for planning, then writing the manuscript and editing, printing, binding, and then we can go for sale. So subdivision B is your answer. Check the option goes the arrangement of these words as they appear in the dictionary. Grime, grew, greased, grit and gate. So subdivision 4, first one as a gate, then grim, and like alphabetic order we can arrange the sequence. So we can go for the option B. Now find the missing number here which is given as a question mark. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. So the missing number will be 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. Is it interesting, students? Let's move to page number 47, verbal reasoning. If Sunita is standing 40 meter to the southwest of Lata and Rani is 40 meter to the southeast of Lata, then the Rani is in which direction of Sunita? The answer is west. Here, the proportionate are given kick with football. Then, which is suitable for this? Wash or dishes are suitable for kick and football, or dust or rage? No. Throw and ring. Option D is your answer. Same like that, walk, run. The answer is dust and blow. B, D, F, H, K, M, O, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, like that. So we can go for the option A. Now circle the ones that are different from the rest. Cardinal, bishop, pope, church. Regional, practical, refusal, historical, refusal. German, Russia, India, Iceland, German. Newspaper, magazine, book, notebook is a odd one out. Airdrome, cockpit, runway and all, we can use these words in the airspace. So here the platform is different. Now, in page number 48, look at the series and answer for the given questions. They are given in the box some series. If all the symbols in the above series are dropped, which will be the 9th number from the right is 6. Which character is the 5th to the left of the 18th character from the left end and the series is O. Now, here, you can complete the following series. Yes, for this option, we can go for subdivision 4. Just work out and see, students, you will be able to get this answer. Here, fill in the blank to complete the sequence. 2, 3, 9 and 7. 2, 7, 4 and 8. 7, 9, 8 and 2. The missing number will be here 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now in page number 49, we have to find the next in the series, complete the series 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11, 22, 55, 165 and 577.5. 26, 28, 32, 38, 46, 56. B, D, A, F, H, E, J, L, I. 1, 2, 6, 21, 88. Maybe the next sequence will be 4, 4, 5. J, F, M, A, M, J, and you have to find the last one. So the option will be D. Now here also each series has a number that does not fit. Which one is not fit, we have to tick here. Okay, here in the option 35 will not fit, and here in the second one Q will not fit, and the third one 36, fourth one 57, fifth question it is X, O and P. In next session, we go for page number 50, which given in the heading as a mixed bag. Try this thing in your book. Thank you, students.